Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get Google Task on your desktop. So you just come to any browser and type in Google Task, and what you need to do is download this Taskboard. Okay, this is the desktop app. You just need to go ahead and first sign in with Google. Okay, authorize a Google account. So I'll go ahead and authorize this one. I've chosen this account. Come here, click on continue. And now it's going to redirect us, right? So we just wait for this. Allow all of these permissions. Go ahead and click on continue. And now as you can see, we are redirected to taskboard.com, okay? And we're logged in. All you need to do is come here at the top right, click on this gear cog, right? Then click on install desktop app. So they're also giving you some of these instructions on how to go ahead and do this, right? So we just go to taskboard.com, click on the download button on the right navigation bar, as you can see. So this is the navigation button. Click on install. There you go. And once we're done with that, they're going to give us this pop-up. That's perfectly fine. Just go ahead and wait this out. Okay, when you get that pop-up, I want you to go ahead and install app. So there we go. This is the app. As you can see, this is a standalone app that I'm using. And what you can do is you can right click here, okay, and you can add this as a shortcut, or you can even pin this. So this one is currently pinned. So if I close this window, check this out. This one stays as an app, and you can open this up at any given point in time. Really that easy and simple. Make sure you subscribe. Answer ASAP.